Okay guys, so here is the next video, and let me show you. So right here is this UPB controller, okay, the UPB controller. So I found a picture of it, and what happens is this. So right here I got a computer. Okay, so this computer has a serial connection right here, so we connect our serial connector to the computer, the back side of the computer, and the RJ11, you see guys, see that it comes right here, and then on my computer I have UPB software installed on it. Okay, so that UPB software, you open it and then you click on connect, and these two guys will, this guy and this guy will connect to each other. Once they connect to each other, it will ask you, if I got a switch, the switch will be installed by an electrician, smart switches. So this guy will send signal to each of these switch, and then they will be connected. Okay, then you can remove it from the computer. You will remove it from the computer, and this guy, you will take the cable from it and you will connect that cable to your OmniLite controller. Okay, and then this guy will be able, you will be able to control these guys right here. Then when your computer is wirelessly, this computer will be wirelessly connected to a router. Okay, and then from your computer or your phone you can send a signal to this guy, and he will send a signal to these smart switches, and you can dim them or whatever you want. So I want to make sure that you guys can see that. Okay, now, so that is that. uh, okay, so right here, this guy right here is we got all these zones here. There are like 16 zones here. Okay, and in the last time, I talked about that you can configure each of these zones. I think some of you guys have seen that in the classroom, but this console right here, he's connected there, and some of you guys, if you have ADT system in your house, you will find a console there where you can, when you get in, you put some numbers there, and then when you put those numbers there, you are allowed, your garage door will open, and then you can do whatever you want. But you see, here is a zone, yeah. So if I connect a sensor to this zone, so let me show you. If I connect a sensor, uh, if I connect right here, let me show you. If I connect a sensor there, new slide. Okay, if I, so I have these two places, I connect a sensor there, then I go to that console, and in that console, okay, I type in keys there, and then after that what happens is you will go to a place, that would be called zones. And zones, let's say this is a smoke detector. What you will do is you will go to, any of the four zone, the first four zone, you can connect these wires, and then in this console on the screen, would say zone, the type of zone is fire, and then you press enter. When you press enter, this zone is configured. Similarly, the other zone, you can do the same thing. You go to zones again, so this is zone 1, there will be zone 2. Okay, so if it is again another smoke detector, you will specify that it is a fire type sensor. Okay, so that is about the zones and this console. I will see you in the next video. I want to make them short, so it is easy to download. All right guys.